In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the model 1. It is a vector integration. So, the last video we have seen under the vector integration is a work done problem is nothing but line integral. So, here we are going to see that the new topic, it is a Green's theorem. So, first we will see the statement of Green's theorem. If m of x comma y and n of x comma y be the two real valued continuous function in x and y of the region R, for any two continuous partial derivatives dou my dou y comma dou n by dou x of the curve C such that integration of the curve m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y into dy which is equal to double integration of the region dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. This is statement of your Green's theorem. Okay. So, when you have that, the curve of m dx plus n dy can be expressed in terms of double integration of the region. Okay. So, we don't have for the syllabus, we have only the problem based on your Green's theorems. Okay. So, we'll go for the first question. Evaluate integration of the curve 3x squared minus 8y squared dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy, where C is a boundary of the region y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square. So, what has given? Integration m dx and n dy format has been given, isn't it? So, what is that? The question is asked to find only the evaluate. So, it is maximum you may expect with the Green's theorem or you may not also. So, you can see as per the Green's theorem, it is there in the left side. So, as a evaluate part, I have to find a double integration of the region dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So, as per the Green's theorem, you can first identify what is your m, what is your n. And the region, the curve has been writing in terms of a region in the right side. What is that? It is y is equal to root x and y is equal to x squared. Okay. So, now write your m and n. Using m and n, you can find it dou m by dou y, which is that minus 16y, isn't it? So, what is dou n by dou x? It is a minus 6y. With respect to y, I'll get 16 and here with respect to x, I'll get 6. Okay. Now, find the difference. Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. What is that? It is 10y. Minus 6 plus 16 will give 10y. And you can go with the boundaries. What is given in the region? Y is equal to root x or y squared equal to x. Isn't it? So, how that curve? The curve will go like this. For this is your equation y is equal to root x. Then y is equal to x square. This is your parabola curve. Okay. So, both the parabola curve which is intersecting point is your bounded region. This is your region. So, what is that the point? It must be to finding that point. You can take that y is equal to x square term. So, you can take this equations. How it will be? It will give y squared is equal to x. And I have equation y is equal to x squared term. Okay. So, replace in the any one of the equations and make it as a simplifications, right? So, what is that? Y squared is equal to x. Y is equal to x squared. So, write it here. I'll get x power 4 minus x, isn't it? Substitute here. It will be x power 4 minus x is equal to 0. So, you can write it x is equal to 0. What is that? Other one, I'll get a point x of x cube minus 1. So, x is equal to 1 I'll get. So, you have a point x varies from 0 to 1. Okay. So, you can see here also intersecting point you have that the point is 1. Okay. So, x varies from 0 to 1 point. And what is your y limit? Y it is supposed to taken as an variable limit. As per the double integration you have that functions here. So, 1 will be inner limit, the outer limit must be only the constant limit. Okay, as per the integration property. Now, what is that? In the what is that you have to find is a y in terms of a variable limit. So, you are supposed to draw the parallel line to the bounded in the region inside your curve. So, which will be starting from downwards to upwards. What is here this curve? It is y is equal to x squared curve and this is ending the curve y is equal to root x curve. That's why the limit has been given y is equal to x squared is equal to root x. Okay. Then this is the simplified value. Already we did 10y into dx dy. After it's a normal integration part. First you do with respect to y. I'll get y squared by 2. Then substitute the limit. What is that? Limit is x squared to root x. To substitute and simplify, you will get x minus x power 4. So 5 of the again integration with respect to x. What is that? X squared by 2 minus x power 5 by 5, 0 to 1. I'll get the simplification. It is 3 by 2. So we'll go for the one more problem. What is that? Evaluate integration of xy plus y squared into dx plus x squared into dy, where C is a closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. And what is that? Similar like a previous one, here you have x and x square. Okay. So what is that? M and n we can find the difference, x minus 2y. Now the given boundary you can draw. You have a curve which is the point, it's like similar, you can substitute, you will get 0 to 1 and y variable limit. Instead of root x, you have x squared to x, that's all. So you can do x squared to x, what is that? X minus 2y into dx dy. Then substitute, you will get the answer. What is that? After substituting your y limit, x squared to x, you will get the equation as x squared minus x squared. U term, you have x squared minus of x cube minus x power 4. This will go 0, minus you take inside, it will become x power 4 minus x cube into dx. And integrate, I will get x power 5 by 5 minus x power 4 by 4 with 0 to 1. So I will get, after limit substitution, the answer is minus 1 by 20. So similar like your first problem. Okay. So we'll go with the one more. The question is asked to find the area of the parabola y squared equal to 4x and x squared equal to 4y by using Green's theorem. So this is little different. The question has been given with in terms of what is it? You have to find it here, area of the Green's theorem. Okay. So area of the Green's theorem as per the formula, m and n is a fixed one. Okay, so m must be minus y by 2, n must be x by 2. So dou m by dou y is equal to minus 1 by 2, dou n by dou x is what is that? 1 by 2. So dou m by dou x, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to 1. This you can write it directly to the formula also. That is integration of m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration of the region. You will get only for dx and dy. Okay, so finding the area, it is a fixed one for your dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to 1. Now, you can see that given curve y squared equal to 4x, x squared equal to 4y. Here also you have in the parabola curve. So it will be in terms of a point, you will get 4, 4. Okay. So you can take it any one equation and you can substitute it. What is that? You have a term y squared equal to 4x. Right. So what is that? X is equal to y squared by 4. So substitute this x value to this equations. Okay. So you can able to get it your y point. So y is nothing but 0, 4. Okay. So similar you can find your x values also. So you will get a point 0, 0, 2, 4, 4. You can see the graph, you can identify. Okay. This is your parabola curve y squared equal to 4x. This is your x squared equal to 4y. In the bounded region, if you go with your variable limit, how you have to do? Since y is a variable limit, you draw the parallel line inside the, what is it? In the region, the starting curve will be this. That is y is equal to x squared. You have a term. What is that? You have y is equal to x squared by 4. Okay. And then what is it here? You can write it y is equal to root of 4 will come 2. So root of x, right? 2 root x. So that is what has been written here. As per the Green's theorem, this value will go 1. So if you know, you can write like this, or you can directly write it as per the area, double integration dx dy alone. Okay. So integration, x varies from 0 to 4, y varies from x squared by 4 to 2 root x dy dx. So first with respect to y, you can do, you will get y of x squared by 4 to 2 root x. Substitute the limit, you will get as it is only for the y term, right? Next one, integration with respect to x. So root x, you can write x power 1 by 2. I'll get x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus of 1 by 12, because x cube by 3, already 4 is there, you will get for 12. Okay. Now, go with the limit substitution of 0 to 4 and simplify. you will get the answer which you have A is equal to 16/3 square units. Okay. So remember there is two type of problem is there in the greens. One is directly it will be there mdx plus ndy format. The other one is to finding your area. Okay. So finding the area, dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y, the value must be equal to 1. Okay. So that's all for your Green's theorem. Thank you.